Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn about the content of elongated and flaky particles in coarse aggregate. During the delivery of pumped concrete in construction, sometimes serious pipe blockage may occur, resulting in scrapping of pump lines and waste of concrete. It causes certain economic losses and adversely affects the construction period. So, what is the cause of pipe blockage? If we analyze reasons only from the perspective of raw materials, the particle shape of coarse aggregate plays a very important role. The coarse aggregate should preferably contain square and cube particles and not too many elongated and flaky particles. Otherwise, it will cause difficulties in mixing and forming the mixture, and pumped concrete can easily block the pipe. The strength of hardened concrete may even be affected. What do elongated and flaky particles look like? How is their content determined? For cement concrete, the length of elongated particles is greater than 2.4 times the average particle size, and the thickness of flaky particles is less than 0.4 times the average particle size, which is the average of the upper and lower limits of the size range. A gauge tester and vernier caliper can be used for measurement. For cement concrete, the elongated and flaky gauge tester is generally used, and the caliper is used when the particle size is greater than 37.5 millimeters. For asphalt mixture, the ratio of the maximum length to the maximum thickness of the elongated and flaky particles in coarse aggregate is greater than 3, and a vernier caliper is used for measurement. Please note that the method for determining elongated and flaky particles of aggregates used for cement concrete is different from that used for asphalt mixture. Now we determine the content of elongated and flaky particles in aggregate for cement concrete according to GBT 14684-2011 Pebble and Crushed Stone for Construction. Summary. 1. Elongated and flaky particles adversely affect the mixing, construction, and strength of concrete, so their content should be as small as possible. 2. Please pay attention to the difference between the method for determining the elongated and flaky particles in aggregates used for cement concrete and those used for asphalt mixture. The instruments and methods used change with definitions. Please find out the requirement for the content of elongated and flaky particles in crushed stone by consulting GBT 14684-2011 Pebble and Crushed Stone for Construction. That's all for today's class. Thank you.